here so it doesn't look so perfect, right? As you can see here, it's already messed with as well.
I'm still having a hard time believing you have one on.
Yeah, see, I don't integrate my hair at all.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's really crazy.
I'm on the, like, yes.
Wow. Yes.
Yes. So there's your hair. So I'm putting your hair out. So your chemical damage is like completely invisible. Right.
I think that's most people's, especially like my blonde.
Yes.
I kind of want to see how the blonde looks too, especially like where the skin looks. Like if my blonde clients were to, because I do, you know, a lot of their biggest complaint, or I don't answer
Me too.
their biggest complaint is this right here.
Right. You know,
the patient told me
you could be able to, what I would do if I were you, if I were going to do your hair, I would be moving your weft down because this is going to stretch all the way down to here.
Okay, so
So I'm going all the way to the middle of that. It's going to have massive amounts of coverage. So you can actually remove a row.
okay.
And
Oh my god, yeah. It just looks so secure. It's really nice. It's like a lot more comfortable than Wigs for sure. Good question.
Yep. I carry every single color in my salon in this piece.
And tell me where the hair is from, and also
So this China. This hair is from Asia.
okay, yeah, and curling and everything is 100. So yeah, it's like a lifetime for me because
Yeah.
I'm like,
Look at this.
you know. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Okay, tell me price this.
That's up to you. Right.